Hey everyone, and welcome to another video here in the Diamond Grove on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about vitality oils versus regular label oils. Vitality oils are a line that Young Living has created that is all oils that are FDA approved to be consumed. And the regular label oils are just the labels that have different colors on them. And I will show you what they look like so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Today we're going to be talking about what is the difference between them. Do we use them differently? What does it mean? It's going to be very short and very simple because literally that's what it is, short and simple, not too much fluff to it. So the vitality oils, I have some here with me. They have a white label like this. Regular labeled oils have labels like this, just regular colored labels. And if you can see here, I'm going to show you guys two comparable bottles. This is a Thieves Vitality Line oil. This is a Thieves regular label oil. And in short, the only difference between these two products is the label, literally the label. The same oil that's in this bottle is in this bottle. Same oil in here is in here. It's just the same exact thing. The reason why Young Living labels their consumable oils differently is because they want to be compliant with the FDA because the FDA requires Young Living as a company to label their products specifically for consumption. But like I said, it's the same exact product. Now, do you use them differently? How you use them is completely up to you. If you see an oil, again, I'm just going to reiterate this. If you see an oil that has a white label that you also see in a regular label, it's the same product. So the way that you would use a vitality oil is the same way you could technically use a regular label oil. Okay, so that's the only difference. We cannot say and we can't outward tell you guys that you can consume oils from a regular label, because that's the reason why they have white label or clearly marked oils, because these are the ones for consumption. But it's up to you guys how you use the oils. Obviously, these are safe to consume. You can add them into your food, into your drink, and you can really do a lot with them. So what I'm going to do today is we pretty much answered it all, right? You use them however you use whichever one of the oils you want, period. The same way you would use them, either one, you could use either one the same way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys some of the ones that I have that are the same. I don't have all of them that are the same. If you guys go on their website, you'll see that there is tons of vitality oils. So many. I don't have all of them. I'll show you guys the ones that I do have. But there are so many. If you tend to use one of the vitality oils, this is the lemon, by the way, lemon and the vitality oil lemon. If you tend to use, for example, if you use a lot of lemon and you don't want to keep buying the small little bottles of lemon constantly, it might be best to get yourself a nice big bottle too. Not all the oils that Young Living has are vitality. So only the vitality oils are the ones that are safe to consume. If you see an oil, so for example, do I have one here that you're not going to see? Yes, I think I do. For example, a eucalyptus oil that looks like this. You're not going to see eucalyptus in the vitality line, and it's because it is not recommended for you to consume. So just always stick to the oils that are in the vitality line if you're going to find a regular label oil as well. And the awesome thing about it is that there are extremely few companies that provide oils that you can consume. As a matter of fact, people who have been using oils for many years never even thought that they could consume oils. And we will say this right now, please do not consume oils that you buy from the store. Oils from the store most likely have fillers in them. They are not pure. They're not products 100% from the plant. So we don't want to risk you getting ill or, you know, something happening because you're ingesting oils that you probably shouldn't. And most likely the oils that they sell in the store, the label will clearly say it is not safe for consumption, which also can tell you the quality of the oil. Young Living has incredible quality oils, which is why they pass the test and you can consume them and you can really benefit from them. So that really makes Young Living stand out from all the other essential oil companies. Okay, so I showed you lemon, and I also have here, I do have a grapefruit. Is this grapefruit? No, this is frankincense. Frankincense also comes in Vitality. This is the grapefruit Vitality, and I also have a regular labeled grapefruit. And here are some of my other Vitality oils. You see all the white labels? And you'll notice that there's a lot of citrus oils, there's a lot of herb oils, and there's like black pepper, there's basil. These are really good these are really good oils to use in your recipes. We have some awesome recipes that we're actually going to start sharing this month in our Instagram team page. We're going to be sharing some recipes and even videos of how you guys can use oils in your recipes. You can put them, I actually brought myself a cup of water here so you guys can see. It's easy, guys. You literally, all you got to do is drop it. So for example, I'm going to put some lemon in my water, depending on how strong you want it. I usually put like a couple of drops, and then you just stir it and you enjoy it. And it's really, really so good. Really refreshing if you're into like lemonade, especially now in the summertime. You want to add a little bit of extra flavor to your lemonade. You can use your lemon Vitality. If you're making a margarita, I'm going to share a margarita recipe with you guys in our Instagram and Facebook group. So if you're watching the replay of this video, make sure if you want to see it, request it in the comments below. But you can use it to make margaritas. You can add your Vitality oils to like beer or wine. Grapefruit is awesome for wine. Orange is awesome for beer. So keep that in mind. You guys could try it for those. And again, we're going to be doing recipes together to show you guys how you can use them. They're really, really fun. They add, and for baking too, if you guys are bakers, I have friends who make lemon cookies, or in their brownies, they put a little bit of peppermint to make it like a minty brownie. So yummy. There's so many ways to use them, which makes it fun. And we're so happy that we have a company that we can rely on that gives us quality products that we can actually put in our food too. I think that's it. I mean, if any of the girls here, please feel free to chime in. You don't have to, but if you want to, please feel free to, if I missed anything. But it's pretty forward, right? Pretty straightforward. If you guys want more ideas on how we use the Vitality line oils, follow our team pages. We're going to be doing a lot of education there based on we already do, and we're going to continue to, especially during the summer, you know, drinks and barbecues and stuff like that. That's when our oils are really gonna come in handy for those. So, all right, if there's anything that you didn't learn about or you wanted to ask questions about pertaining to this video, please leave it in the comments below. We can answer your questions. If you've missed any of our previous videos, definitely check them out. We have several already up here in our channel where we talk about regular label oils and how you can use them and how they can benefit you. We have men's classes, and we're going to have so much more other classes in English and in Spanish here in our channel. So definitely make sure you subscribe and you hit the little notification bell so that you can get alerted the next time we upload a video. That is it from me for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.